Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Michelle and she writes, "Hi Miss Planet, hi Michelle. I am enjoying a lot of your DIY videos. I'm planning my daughter's 15th birthday soon. She wants a starry night galaxy theme. I'm gonna have some projectors shoot some stars on the walls and ceilings, but I would love to have some hanging light bulbs. I'd really appreciate it if you could help me with that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really hope you choose my project." Well, Michelle, not only did we choose your project, we're going to show you how to make this project in 3 easy steps. Yes, 3, at such an amazing cost. Under $5 each. All right, let's get started with this week's episode, Starry Night Hanging Party Decor. All right, guys, let's get to it. So step 1, we're going to transform this 8-inch wire wreath into our white ring around our glowing ball. So the way we're going to do that is we can use either just acrylic craft paint, which is just fine. You're just going to get a little brush and paint it. Or if you want to be a little faster, go ahead and buy some white spray paint and spray it on there. I used to have a product that was white fluorescent spray paint, but I haven't been able to find it. So we're going to paint it and then let it dry, of course, and we're going to go back over it with our glow in the dark paint. Now, you're going to have to put several coats for it to be nice and bright when those lights go off. While we set our ring aside to dry, we're going to go ahead and embellish our 5-inch clear beach ball. It's the perfect size. It'll fit into our ring like it was meant to be there always. So we're just going to apply the star stickers. Now in the package, you get star as well as different size circle stickers. So it's really up to you. You have enough stickers to do at least a half a dozen balls. Probably could get anywhere from a half a dozen to 12 out of one package of glow-in-the-dark stickers. Now it's just time to string our clear heavy-duty fishing wire through the loop of our plug and we're ready to hang. So who's ready to see what we got? Let's turn off the lights. Well, Michelle, how did we do? I absolutely love it. I can see this just hanging in clusters from the ceiling. I can see you using this as a photo backdrop. You just have so many options. And it's such an inexpensive project that you can do as many or as few as you want and still be well within a small budget. I love it. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if there's a question that we can answer, please feel free to leave it right down there in the comment section. I answered all of the comments myself, Miss Planet. No helpers, all me. Now, sometimes it takes me a minute to get to them, but I promise you I will. And in the meantime, we have an awesome community of DIYers that are more than happy to step in and help. We can't do it alone, guys. We need each other. In addition to that, if we can help you with the project, by all means, go down to the description below, click on the link, and follow the simple steps to submit your project request. Or head on over to our website, missplanet.com, click on that project request tab, and follow those easy steps. Do it sooner than later because our schedule fills up so fast. If you want to hang out some more with us, head on over to our social media and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and don't forget Pinterest. We have a fantastic Pinterest page. Head on over there and join us there also. If you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, what are you waiting for? It's shopping time, guys. Sign up is free. The service is free. Go down to the links below this description and sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. Well guys, our time has come to an end, but before we go, I want to remind you that you can find all the written and picture instructions for most of our projects on our website, MissPlanet.com, as well as cost-saving tips and a free resource library. Click on that little link right there in the corner and it will take you straight there to just hang out some more and get more cost-saving tips. In addition to that, you can also click on our project request button and sign up to get your project reviewed and possibly featured on our Miss Planet channel. We love hanging out with you. We don't want you to forget that we give you all the steps as well as all the project costs and links to the supplies that we use. Head on down to the description right below this video where it says show more. Click on show more and you'll find all of the links for all of the supplies for all of our videos. It's all right there for you to use. We are so appreciative of you hanging out with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube and we don't take you picking us lightly. So thank you. And until next time, please always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.